Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela, and here on this channel, I create beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, in particular for the woman over 40. Now, today's video is definitely a fashion video, but it's more about where do we shop for fashion that is sustainable, that is excellent quality, that has a brand that we can rely on. Hopefully a brand that is size inclusive. Not every brand is. A couple of the brands that I'm going to talk about today are not, but hopefully they'll see the video and they'll do some things behind the scenes so that all the curvy ladies can shop their brand too. So I'm going to talk about 5 of my favorite go-to brands for spring and summer fashion. I shop them for fall and winter fashion as well, but since we're in the midst of spring, summer, and it's warm outside, I thought perhaps you'd like to know, where does Angela shop, or where can I shop to find some amazing, some mid-tier, some affordable clothing that is going to last me year after year, wear after wear. If you'd like to hear 5 of my go-to brands for spring, summer fashion, then stay tuned now. Let's get started. So the first brand that I'm going to talk about is Banana Republic. Now, I have shopped Banana Republic time and time again. And what I love about Banana Republic is, first of all, the quality of the items that I have received is always top tier. I'm always very, very pleased with the pieces. Their style is more of a very classic, very timeless. Sometimes they'll have some trendy pieces, but they typically will put their own spin on it so that it's still a classic, timeless feel, even though it's a trendy piece. They are a mid-tier brand in my opinion. They're also very size inclusive, which is something that I really, really love. And the clothes, normally when I get them, the fit is just impeccable. I love it. If you're looking for that old money aesthetic, that, that classic, that yacht club feel, I feel like Banana Republic is the place for you. The pieces are great. And if you're also a neutral person, if you're a person that don't like a lot of color, you're not really flashy, you like the grays and the tans and the browns and the blacks and the creams and navy blue and deep earth tone green, Banana Republic is your place. I love shopping them every spring and summer for dresses. Typically they come out with this like A-line dress every year, and they'll change it up a little bit. They'll usually have pockets with their dresses, which I am very, very pleased with. Someone told them that us ladies love pockets on our dresses. And they'll usually make that dress in a short or a long. But again, they have very classic, very timeless, beautiful, beautiful pieces. And I think it is a staple for any woman that is stylish, that loves to stay modern and fresh when it comes to her way of dressing. The next brand that I shop a lot is Zara. Now, Zara is size limited. They're not nearly as size inclusive as other brands, but what I love about them is they have lots of options. They are going to give you numerous options. I think usually their sizing goes up to a size 12. They have lots of trendy pieces. Whatever the trend is going to be, you're going to be able to find it at Zara. What I also like about them is they have unique pieces. They have beautiful jewelry like earrings and necklaces that you're not going to see other places. I also love their denim line. They usually have a midway. Sometimes they'll have a low-rise jeans, but they usually have a mid-rise and a high-waisted jean, and most of their jeans are like 100% cotton. So if you're accustomed to a little spandex in your jeans, you feel it's gonna be hurt when you start shopping the jeans at Zara. But if you want a pair of denim that's gonna last you for an extended period of time, it's gonna wash again and again and again, and it's going to look still fantastic, they are the go-to brand. Now, they are a not budget friendly, but reasonably priced brand. They rarely have items that are really expensive. And I just love the pieces that they have there. They have lots of neutrals. They also have lots of color. So it is my go-to place if I want something unique, something that's not gonna cost me a lot of money, something that may be trendy, or pieces that I can wear again and again as well. They also have a great men's line. So if you like an androgynous kind of look, you can also shop pieces from their menswear line, like their blazers that might be a little bit oversized, or their neckties and that sort of thing. So I like that about them as well. The next brand that I love, this brand, I love it, and it is Dissh. Now, in my opinion, they are a mid-tier brand. They are also size limited, but they are a great place to find beautiful linen pieces. And they're not gonna have a wide variety of color, but they're gonna have your bases. They're definitely gonna give you the most stunning white linen every single year for spring and summer, whether it be sets or whether it be dresses, whether it be shorts or linen pants. They're gonna have impeccably fitted items. They're gonna be beautifully constructed, and I just love everything about them. They're just this very classy, a very classic, a very timeless brand. Although they're mid-tier, most of the time they're like at the upper level of the mid-tier brand when it comes to pricing, but I firmly believe that you get what you pay for when it comes to Dissh. And like their linen pieces, a lot of times they're lined, which I love. And they also have unique pieces. They don't have a huge inventory of pieces that are gonna be in store season after season. They're gonna bring out their selection, and then, you know, I don't know how many pieces they have, but it's not going to be a lot. So if you ever shop the brand and you see something you love, my recommendation is that you go ahead and get it, and you can be almost guaranteed that the quality is outstanding. The next brand is Staud. Now, I have been shopping Staud for years, probably at least the last 7 or 8 years. Quality, outstanding. As a matter of fact, Staud's quality is right up there with Dissh. I think it's a beautiful brand. Now, sometimes they'll have very colorful, very unique pieces. Their clothing line reminds me of Farm Rio, but Dissh, but somewhere in the middle. So they'll have classic, timeless, neutral pieces, but they'll also have pieces that are not necessarily trending or trendy, but are just beautiful, just unique pieces that you can have in your wardrobe for years. Like the turquoise top that I have, I bought that one and I loved it so much I bought another one, and I've probably had those at least 5 years. And the quality of the fabric and the cotton looks like I bought it yesterday. So their pricing is a little bit high mid-tier, but also again they're worth it because the quality is typically outstanding in my experience. And the last brand I've been shopping for like a year and a half, and it is Quince. And what I love about Quince is, first of all, they have an extended line. So they have a whole line that is just for the curvy ladies. And I love that I love that for the curvy ladies. And what you get with Quince is great fabric. They do a lot of beautiful linen pieces. The quality is great and the pricing is outstanding. Of all the other brands, Quince has the best pricing. They have so many options. I recently went to a YouTube event in New York and they had a booth there, and now they have perfume. The lady said they sold out of the perfume immediately. And if you don't know that long, you don't know I am a perfume junkie, and I was able to smell some of the scents, and they were beautiful scents. They were beautiful. So I can't wait to start shopping the brand for some of their scents. They had some oud scents, which I love. They had some fruity scents as well. And I think they're going into home decor or home as well. So I'm excited about that. I know they have purses. I don't know if they have shoes or not, but they have some beautiful leather woven purses there, and they had some really great pieces. So if you're looking for some great quality linen pieces that are not going to break the bank, that are very budget friendly and size inclusive, Quince is your store, honey. Or I don't know if there's a store, if there's a brick and mortar, but you can definitely shop it online. From my experience, the sizing is dead on. So shop whatever size you normally shop, and you should be very pleasantly pleased at the pieces you receive. Well, that's it, family. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite go-to brands for finding beautiful pieces that you're gonna wear again and again and again. Now, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a great time here. I hope you come back. If you love this information, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, like the video, and share it with a friend. Now, I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.